My name is Viet Vu. I am a graduate from UNIS Hanoi from the class of 2011. I currently work as an economic researcher at a university in Toronto in Canada. And I had the opportunity today to talk to a whole bunch of economics classes as a guest lecturer.
One thing that stood out to me the most was how he tied his personal experience with the fundamental concepts of economics. I felt like it was much more easier to digest the new information and also have new insights on economics.
It's great to see UNIS alum because they get to see themselves. They get to see where they might end up in the future and see someone speak about the same things that they're going through currently.
Well, it shows that being UNIS students means that you belong to a community and that you are always welcome to give back and share, and also shows that what we do in the classroom is actually going to help you in real life.
I hope that students would be inspired perhaps to take economics, but I think the most important outcome is to tell students that they don't need to have a single path to success. I have never felt like I left the UNIS community, that over the 13 years since I graduated, I continue to feel a part of it. That is why I want to come back and be able to contribute to creating that large community that alumni, new alumni, and upcoming alumni get to connect to is a pretty special thing.